Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this Windows Update installation problem. First of all, try to install the updates from Microsoft Update Catalog. Click on the link from the description of this video. You will reach this page. You can see some files here. Find the file supporting your computer. Click on Start, Settings, select System. Click on About. Here is System type. 64-bit operating system. This is the file x64 base system. Click on download. Click on this link. Once downloaded, click on File Explorer icon. Go to Downloads. Right click on the downloaded update file. Select Open. If you are asked for confirmation, click on Yes. The system will restart a couple of times and install the update. The second step is Modify Services. Click on Search, type Services. Click on Services. Scroll down to Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update. Select Properties. Startup type should be automatic here. If the service status is stopped, click on Start. Click on Apply and OK. If the Windows Update service is already running, then right click on this service and select Restart. Next, come to Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this, select Properties. Here also, startup type should be automatic. Click on this option and select Automatic from the drop down. Service status is running. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Select Restart. Configure one more service. Cryptographic services. Right click on this service. Select Properties. Here Automatic should be selected. Service status should be running. Apply and OK. Right click on Cryptographic Services. Select Restart. Now click on Start. Select Settings. Click on Windows Update and click on Check for updates. If the issue still occurs, then run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Search, type Troubleshoot. Select Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. A separate window will appear. Click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Yes. The Windows Update diagnostic failed to run. then you need to repair the issue on your own. The next method is reset Windows Update Cache. Click on search, type cmd, select run as administrator. These are Windows Update reset commands. Run each line of command lines separately in the command prompt. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, press enter, copy, press enter. In the same way, run these commands, close the running windows and restart your computer. Start, power, restart. Next method is uninstall third-party antivirus. Click on Start, select Settings, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, find antivirus program if installed. I have not installed any third-party antivirus. I show you how to uninstall this. Suppose this is your antivirus. Click on three dots. Click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. An install wizard may appear. Follow the on-screen instructions. And at last restart your device. Again check for updates. From Start, Settings, Windows Update and check for updates. If the update is still troubling you, then run System File Checker and DISM tool. Open command prompt, type cmd here in the search box. Right click and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc space / scan now and press enter. After this verification process is 100% completed, run this command. Copy the command from the description. Paste into the command prompt and press enter. All these commands are given in the description of this video. Once it is completed, reboot your device. The last method is run in place upgrade. Open browser, type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Go to this link. Scroll down. Reach download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download. Select this option. Click on this. Click on download now. Click on choose one. Select the language you have selected for your Windows 11. English, United States. English, United States. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Go to the downloads folder. Right click on the ISO file. Select mount. Click on open. Right click on setup.exe. Select open. Click on run. Check this box. Click on next. Click on accept. Follow the further instructions and complete the installation. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.